welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a Primark haul. When this goes live, I'll have literally just gone to Bali, so I'll be on my holly bobs. I will still have videos going up on my channel Sundays at 12 PM, and if you want to catch up with me day to day, then be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'll be on my stories. I'll also be posting holiday outfit pictures and all that good stuff. But let's jump into this stuff. Primark have some gorgeous summer dresses in at the moment, and I picked up this lovely like linen one. I love the stripes, I love the buttons. I don't know, I feel like it's got that whole kind of Mediterranean vibe, and I'm just really into it. Like this with a bold lip and some gold jewellery is just a bit of me. I love the length of it as well. I love that it's got a belt around the middle. I think this is so pretty, and this was £13. I can never ever get over it. I mean, the quality for £13 is unbelievable. And then for £18, so in my last Primark haul, I picked up this gorgeous black dress and I spotted it in blue, and I was like, I am gonna have that because it looks so flattering on. I just think it's so pretty. Did I say that this is £18? I love the tie around the middle. I just think this is so flattering. I love wearing simple dresses like this with just a bold lip in summertime. I'm gonna wear this on holiday, but I'll also wear this throughout summertime at home as well. Oh my god. I've just realised it's a jumpsuit. I haven't tried this on yet. Even better. Oh, that makes it a bit different to my black dress. Okay, so basically it's exactly the same as the black dress, except it's blue and it's a jumpsuit. I actually love that so much, buzzing with that. For £6, I just picked up a really standard pair of pyjamas. I just wanted them for my holiday. I thought they looked really cool. By cool, I mean like temperature wise. They're not like the coolest, but they are pretty. They're just like super soft and perfect for when the weather's warm. That's what I need right now. Then for £10, I saw this white wrap top, which I just really like. It's really simple, it's cotton, it's cool, and it's the kind of thing you could wear on holiday, daytime or nighttime, but that I will also wear at home as well. £10, man. And then for £18, how cute is this dress? I like that it kind of looks like zebra print, but it's blue and kind of a really dark maroony purple colour. I just really like the colours of this, and again, I do really like dresses with a little tie around the waist. I just think it adds that shape, which I really like. I don't really like dresses that are just kind of straight up and down. I need something to cinch me in at the waist. Then for £3, I picked up one of my standard black t-shirts. This one's ribbed though. I haven't had one like this before. It's a little bit baggier as well. It doesn't have like proper sleeves. I don't know, I was kind of tempted to pick up like 6 of these, but I just thought no, Kate, because I always stock up on t-shirts every time I go into Primark, and I do end up with too many t-shirts, so I just picked up one, and yeah, they're just a staple, aren't they? And then I saw these nearby, and I thought that these would look so nice just with a black t-shirt. They were £13. Look at them, how gorgeous are they? I am obsessed. I love this colour so much. Again, you could wear these with trainers during the day, or on a nighttime stick a pair of heels on with them. I mean, they're so versatile, but I just love that pop of colour. I didn't see these in any other colours. I only saw them in orange. I don't know if they have them in other colours, but if you've seen these in other colours, let me know, because I want all of them. And then for £12, I picked up this shirt dress. I just really liked the look of it. I like the cute little pockets at the front as well. I don't know, there's just something about this that I absolutely love. I haven't tanned again today. I always do try on clips when I haven't tanned, and I've just realised that I'm gonna have my legs out, but hey, I do really like this. I like the print as well. And then for £10, I picked up this 3-pack of wireless bras. I really like these for just round the house or day to day. They're just the comfiest thing in the world. They're not underwired, which I really like. I've started wearing just like sports bras and crop tops a lot recently, and now whenever I put a proper bra on, I'm just like, nah, I'm not about this life. Like, that underwired life is not for me. I mean, if an outfit requires it, I will wear an underwired bra, but that is literally the only time. But day to day, I absolutely love Love, love these. I'm definitely going to be taking these on holiday with me because they're just comfy for every day, aren't they? And I like that they're in just like super neutral colours. Oh, and you can remove the cups as well. I tend to leave them in until I've washed them a couple of times, and then anyone who wears this type of bra will know that issue when you put them in the washing machine and then the cups just do their own little crazy thing and you take them out and they're like all crinkled up inside. Then they go the distance. I just chuck them away, but it's fine without them as well. Love, love, love these. And then I'm looking in my bag here and I've just got a load of random stuff, so I'm just gonna delve in. Oh my god, right, I picked up these socks. I saw them on the model and then I was just like, I need them in my life. They're so cute. They're £3. Are they £3? I think they were £3, yeah. And they're basically like Wall's ice cream socks. They've got different ones. They had like Pokemon ones. I don't remember. I think they had like jelly bean ones and stuff, but I just like these. So they've got a Twister pair, and then behind there they've got a Calippo pair, and then a Feast. I don't know why this excites me so much, but it does. Oh, I really want a Twister now. Twisters are like my favourite ice lolly. Oh, they're so underrated as well. Love them. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favourite ice lolly is. Oh, I really like a Feast as well. They're not my go-to, but like, how nice are they? Then I just got your holiday staples, the clear bag with the pot decanter thingies. They're just really handy, aren't they, for putting your toiletries in when you go away, and this was like £1. I got a hair wrap. I just, more than anything, think these look really cute when your hair's wet and you just put it all up in that little thing, and like, it's just, I don't know. Is anyone the same? I just feel like when I've got one on, that is like the weirdest thing. But this was like £2.50, so I picked one of these up. It also does help your hair to dry quicker, but I'm more so just like the aesthetic of it, if I'm honest. For £1 each, I picked up 2 shower puffs. One for home, one for holiday. Then right, oh my god, I saw these gel eye patches which you stick in the fridge and they look like cucumbers. They're basically, like the name suggests, they have gel inside them. Stick them in the fridge, pop them on your eyes. How perfect are these going to be for holiday? I just thought I need to pick these up for £1. It says it provides soothing therapeutic benefits. I'm going to take that to mean it just probably helps you chill out a bit. But again, imagine being in the sun all day and coming back to your hotel room and sticking these on your face. Yes. Or just like in general, if you're having a pamper session or something. I just love the idea of them. And then I picked up a staple, the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I always have a mini one of these on the go, as well as a full-size one. I've just knocked those eye patches off my knee. But yeah, this is like a staple in my beauty arsenal, would not be without it. I'm hoping that a little one will last me the time that I'm away. I think it will, because I don't wear a lot of makeup when I'm away, but I just think this is like the best micellar water I've ever tried. I love it. And that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave me a comment and let me know what was your favourite item from this haul. I think mine's got to be those socks, to be honest. I mean, Wall's ice cream socks. Come on now. Primark is on it. And like I said, if you want to keep up to date with what I'm up to, then be sure to go and follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting on my stories. Like I said, I'll be posting pictures of my outfits and stuff. So give me a cheeky little follow and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favourite item from this haul was. I think mine is the Wall's ice cream socks, not gonna lie. I wonder what made Primark think, yeah, Wall's ice cream socks, people are gonna want that, because it's so niche, but I'm really about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to give it a cheeky little thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!